Shfa, also spelled Shifa, is an Emirati child YouTuber who has become one of the most successful young content creators globally. Born on December 19, 2011 in the United Arab Emirates, she has captivated millions of children worldwide with her playful and imaginative videos. Shfa has an elder sister named Arwa, though her parents' names remain private. She is of Emirati descent and follows Islam. Details about her formal education are kept private as she balances schooling with her YouTube career. Shfa began her YouTube journey at a young age with her mother overseeing content creation. She launched her main channel in March 2015, quickly gaining traction with engaging, family-friendly content. Her first video, titled "The Largest Hello Kitty Egg in the World," became a massive hit. Her early videos featured playful skits, toy reviews, and imaginative role plays inspired by characters like Elsa from Frozen, which resonated strongly with young audiences, particularly in the Middle East. All channels are managed by her mother, who ensures the content remains age-appropriate while maintaining cultural elements that resonate with a diverse audience. With over 130 million subscribers across all her channels and tens of billions of total views, Shfa has established herself as one of the most influential child YouTubers globally. Her content blends creativity, cultural elements, and family-friendly entertainment, inspiring imagination and creativity among her young fan base. She enjoys horse riding and loves to swim. She also enjoys making pencil drawings and paintings. Shfa continues to produce fresh content that reflects her evolving interest while maintaining strong connections with her audience through her vibrant social media presence and consistent video uploads. Shfa is one of the most subscribed child YouTubers worldwide, captivating kids with playful, imaginative skits. Her success has made her a digital phenomenon, with family-managed channels expanding to multiple languages for broader reach.